For home bakers and professionals alike, a sturdy hand mixer is key. The appliance is adaptable enough to whip up everything from airy layer cakes to stiff bread dough, and it cuts down on the time and effort of mixing by hand. If you choose wisely and buy the best stand mixer that you can afford, this small appliance can last you decades, ensuring that you do get your money's worth. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. Our list begins with the KitchenAid Professional 600 Series KP26M1XNP Stand Mixer. With 67-point planetary mixing action and 10 speed controls, you can easily prepare appetizers, entrees, and desserts. The electronic speed sensor will keep your speed consistent to ensure a tasty blend of ingredients. Its bowl lift design offers seamless beater-to-bowl contact, which helps raise the bowl into a stable mixing position to prepare your favorite recipes. This mixer uses a 575-watt motor for even the heaviest mixtures, powerful enough to knead multiple batches of bread dough at once. It has a soft start mixing feature that allows the mixer to accelerate the speed gently to reduce the splattering of ingredients. The all-metal construction ensures lasting use, and its satin-pearl finish and sleek style complement your cooking space. With more than 12 optional attachments, use the power of your stand mixer to help you make fusilli pasta from scratch, shred a block of Parmesan cheese in seconds, and so much more. Delivering power, precision, and performance. Next on the line, we have the Cuisinart SM-50BK Stand Mixer. It features a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that allow for nuance and excellence in performing various preparation tasks. The unit's tilt-back head allows for easy access to its 5.5-quart mixing bowl, while the included splash guard prevents messy countertops. Also included are chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle. Plus, the mixing bowl and all accessories are dishwasher safe, and the stand mixer is available in ruby red, white linen, onyx, periwinkle blue, robin's egg, and silver lining. Additionally, you can purchase various attachments for the unit: a pasta roller and cutter, pasta extruder, meat grinder, frozen dessert maker, and spiralizer. Next up on the list, we have the KOOKLEE SM-50BK Stand Mixer. This big stainless steel mixing bowl offers a 9.5-quart high capacity, and it comes with a dough hook, flat beater, wire whip, and pouring shield, avoiding the messy kneading process. You can utilize its 10 speeds to suit any recipe. It offers a powerful performance of planetary mixing action for mixing bread dough, thick batters, meringues, and whipping cream, plus lower speeds for stirring and finessing your most delicate concoctions. Additional pulse setting for a quick blitzing. Easy cleanup, and all of the attachments are dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleaning. On the other hand, it also comes with a splash guard with a spout. Makes your cooking family friendly without anybody getting messy. The next product on the list is the KUPPET Stand Mixer. The tilt head design of this mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. It comes with 4 anti-slip silicone suction cups to keep the mixer steady. Its precise 8-speed controller lets you choose from a slow stir to a fast mix, perfectly suitable for different ingredients. This mixer contains a 4.7-quart stainless steel bowl, wire whip, dough hook, flat beater, and splash guard. Its 3 attachments are easily secured to the shaft, adding mixing versatility to any job, allowing you to cook at great ease and convenience. Furthermore, the stainless bowl, wire whip, and beater are dishwasher safe, and please do not put the dough hook into the dishwasher. Next on the line, we have the Hamilton Beach 64651 Stand Mixer. This lightweight hand mixer easily detaches from the base for extra mixing versatility to tackle any baking recipe. With 290 watts peak power and 6 adjustable speeds, plus quick burst, you can tailor your kitchen mixer to take on any task at hand, from a fast whip to a slow stir. Its bowl rest feature allows the hand mixer to sit on the bowl's edge to eliminate messy drips, and the shift and stir feature rotates the bowl for thorough mixing. Plus, this hand and stand mixer comes with a stainless steel bowl large enough to accommodate your favorite recipes, while still fitting comfortably into your dishwasher. This kitchen mixer comes with a 4-quart stainless steel bowl, large enough to accommodate your favorite recipes, while still fitting comfortably into your dishwasher. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Aucma Stand Mixer. It comes with a 660-watt high-performance pure copper motor and sturdy ABS housing. This mixer has 6 optimized speeds and pulse function, access to multi-purpose and various recipes. The 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl can meet all your kitchen needs. It is easy to use for making cakes, breads, cookies, pastries, muffins, and waffles, and the dual handles are more convenient to hold. The tilt-head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. Plus, the mixer has a stainless steel decoration belt and blue LED light as a power indicator. Further, the splash guard with an access hatch helps add ingredients during processing without making a mess. However, the dual handles are more convenient to hold, and the mixer has a blue LED light as a power indicator. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.